Hey, we're here at
Horse Ridge
We're at Horse Ridge
Trails.
Trails.
About 20 miles east of Bend,
20.
Oregon.
Yes.
Yeah, sounds about right.
We're gonna hike up this hill, wander around out there, stay on the trails, do a big old loop, and come back. Last time we were out here, we were idiots, and it got dark on us.
So we came out earlier this time.
Yeah. The main thing was the time switch had just happened, and so everything got darker an hour earlier. So not gonna make that same mistake again. We got out here like 10:30, maybe a little before 11.
Yeah.
How long does it usually take us? A couple hours?
2.5, 3 hours. Probably going to be about 3 hours today because of that HIIT workout we did
Good
yesterday.
golly. It's a long hike. Okay.
Yes. So this Horse Ridge it's like multiple trails. So it's a trail system. Most popular for mountain bikers, but you will see other hikers out here too. And it's, I think what makes it so amazing is even though there's about 1,200 feet elevation gain, you get up on the ridge and on a clear day like today, you have amazing views. So yeah, it's going to be really great. It's a great trail for, I would say, like spring or like fall through spring. It's pretty exposed, so it's not so great in the summer when it gets really, really hot because there's just not a lot of shade unless you just come like super early before the sun's really hitting, and then it's probably like mostly shade going up. Yeah, it just kind of depends. But
yeah,
it is about 25 degrees out right now, so it's a wee bit chilly. But I think we're going to be very thankful for that as we're like clambering up that hill.
yeah. It's gonna be a real layering game.
Yes. It's a real great, true high desert hike. A lot of juniper and sagebrush. Really rocky. And then that kind of like sandy, moon dusty type ground.
Yeah, it's not great after it's really rained hard, but
yeah,
it doesn't do that very often out here, so we should be fine.
Yeah, it'll be great. I'm really excited to be out here. But yeah, and we're excited to bring you guys along. So hope you enjoy. We are still trekking up. There's that handsome man o' mine. The views are just they're gonna keep getting better and better. But it's just the slow steady slog up, up, up. Gosh, but I love me a good juniper tree. There's some very old craggy junipers on this hike, and I do appreciate it. Ew, it is cold in the shade, but it feels really good, doesn't it, babe?
Just one layer here.
I know. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting how long I keep all these layers on. Probably not for too much longer. That's why layering is good. Layering is key. All right, we are taking a little break Slightly out of breath.
Sweaty despite the 27-degree weather out here.
But it is so beautiful. So we came up a pretty steep ascent, and it kind of flattens out for a little bit, and then it doesn't seem like much, but kind of curves around, and then you keep going up to the top of the ridge, and then follow the ridge and kind of come back down. But the views are just insane. But yeah, had to cut the video out for a bit just because we were just gasping for air. Oh my gosh, a little embarrassing. So we decided to cut that out of the video. So. We're so in shape, yeah.
Don't want to embarrass Elio with how in shape we are.
So just decided to cut that out. Yeah. All right, let's keep going. All right, we're getting close, babe, to the ridge, the top of the ridge. Thank goodness.
Thought we were there like 3 times.
I know. It does have a lot of false tops.
False summits.
False summits. Can you really call it a summit when it's just a ridge? I guess so. We're gonna call it a summit. All right. But yeah, there's been a lot of stopping, a lot of resting. It's fine. The point is we're out here, we're enjoying it, and we are gonna make it to the top, right?
Good Lord willing.
All right, beautiful views we're at the top of the ridge, and this is the backside of Horse Ridge. It's just so beautiful. You can see Mount Bachelor right there. And then there's the Three Sisters and all their beauty and glory. Just insane. Oh my God, what a gorgeous day. And then east. We're starting on the treacherous downhill. Whew. It is snowy and the descent is very steep. So baby steps.
Yeah.
Baby steps will get us there. Well, we have made it up and down. Thank goodness. Got a little sketchy there with the snow coming down.
Yeah, my legs are burning.
But now it's pretty much like the last 2 miles are pretty just flat. It's on this dirt road that leads to kind of like the portion of the old highway that does not get much traffic. And we'll walk along that and then back to the parking lot. Oh my gosh. I think we have made it back to the trailhead. Just pretty exciting because we're both...
The dogs are barking.
Our feet are a tad bit sore at this point. But we are survivors. We did it. Mm-hmm. It was beautiful and amazing. And yeah, we've actually done this hike quite a few times. And it's great.
Yeah.
There are, again, there are a lot of other trails.
I think there's a different one that you don't have to walk on the road, but this is the one we always do.
Yeah. It's hard to break tradition sometimes.
Yeah. The map had us going through the gravel pit back there, which is all private property. So we're like, well, let's not jump the fence and try to walk. So
yeah.
Here we are. Wow, the trail got a whole lot more.
Yeah, it pays to get here earlier.
We were one of 4 cars in the parking lot when we got here.
There were only 4 cars when we got here. And now the parking lot is absolutely packed. But anyways, I think we're gonna wrap up this video now. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.